Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Tuesday, May 11th, 2010. This morning I wanted to take a look at reconciling versions of code using Store, the source code management system for VisualWorks and Object Studio 8. So to get started, let's just take a look at this little package I've got. I'm going to look at the versions, browse versions. We'll take a look here. We've got two versions. If you look at 1.0, it's what I've got loaded, and 1.1, all that I did is add a method, and the method is not in the 1.0 version. So there's one additional method, not terribly important method either. So reconciling, let's take a scenario. I have this code, I've loaded 1.0, I've forgotten the 1.1 exists, or maybe I'm another developer on the team and I don't know the 1.1 exists, so I start off with 1.0. So we'll call it API, and then I put in show bar, which is the instance variable, and I just do transcript show bar is self bar cr. So we just put that in. Now this is dirty, so I need to publish it. And when I go ahead and hit store publish, the first thing I'm going to notice is that it's going to tell me, well, this is 1.01. Now at this point I realize I've got a forking issue, so I'm going to cancel this. So down here I hit the cancel button. And what I'm going to do instead is right click and do store reconcile with database. It's over on the pull right, so I do that. And it's going to say package already has a parent. Do you want to select a new parent? I'm going to say yes, go ahead and do that. I'm going to reconcile it with 1.1. What this means is it's going to take the changes that I've done in this version and make the changes relative to 1.1. So that's what reconciliation means. It makes the changes for what you've got loaded in the image relative to whatever's in the database. And now if I go ahead and publish, so now hit store publish up here, and you'll notice that instead of 1.01, it's going to come up with 1.2 because the changes are relative to that. So I've brought reconciliation to my code. So I hit publish, and now there it goes. So it's putting that into the database. That's what reconciling two packages means, two versions of a package. So you take a version that maybe you've accidentally forked off and you said, you know, I don't care about that other branch that we pushed forward. We're going to move back and jump forward, but I don't want to have a minor version string 1.01 or 7.08 or whatever it is out there. I just want to move forward on that main branch line. So you're going to reconcile to get rid of that accidental forking behavior in the versioning. Now of course you can just go ahead and version it any way you want, but keep in mind that this actually changes the parentage of the package version so that it'll be relative to that all the way down. So that's really all I wanted to show today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.